Well, hello. I'm here in the ULEZ testing centre. It's been quite a couple of days actually. This thing was only back together last night after having lots and lots of cleaning and, throttle bodies off, injectors cleaned. It's had the WINS fuel system cleaner through it, etc, etc. Oh dear. Slippery floor. And the good news is the bloody thing's only gone and passed. So there we go. Yeah, I sort of can't quite believe it, to be honest. And I don't know where the hell I am. I'm somewhere in somewhere in South London, and I need to find my way back to the motorway. I guess I need to go back the way I came. But you know what? That was fairly painless. Yeah, this is the way I came up here. Took about half an hour. I forgot to take my V5 logbook, which, to be fair, it was in an email and I didn't notice that I needed it. But they were very nice and they said I can scan it and email it to them, and then they'll then do the exemption bit. But you know what? I'm so pleased. I can hardly convey how pleased I am. I've gone the wrong way. Is this one way? Really don't know. God, I don't know.